Welcome to the Learning Studio, and thank you for following along our law series. In today's lecture, we're exploring one of the most intense, debated, and socially significant branches of law, criminal law. You can access the full playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. What happens when someone takes a life? What if a person steals from another? What if a government official abuses their power? These aren't just news stories, these are crimes. And what follows is criminal law in action. What is criminal law? Criminal law is the body of law that deals with acts considered harmful or threatening to society. It defines offenses, prescribes punishments, and lays down the procedures for arrest, trial, and judgment. Its main goal isn't just punishment, it's also deterrence, rehabilitation, and the protection of public order. Simply put, if civil law solves disputes between individuals, criminal law protects society as a whole. Types of crimes. Criminal law covers a wide range of offenses, including crimes against the person like murder, assault, and kidnapping, crimes against property like theft, robbery, and arson, white-collar crimes like fraud, embezzlement, and insider trading, cybercrimes like hacking, identity theft, and online harassment, state-related crimes like treason, terrorism, or corruption. Each comes with different levels of severity, from misdemeanors to felonies. Criminal law has ancient roots. From Hammurabi's Code to the Roman 12 Tables, societies have always created rules to maintain order. In medieval Europe, justice often meant harsh and public punishment. But over centuries, criminal law became more refined, balancing the rights of the accused with the needs of the victim and society. Today, criminal law operates under principles like presumption of innocence, right to a fair trial, proof beyond a reasonable doubt. These aren't just legal rules, they're moral foundations. Famous cases. One of the most famous examples of criminal law in motion was the trial of O.J. Simpson, 1995. The case involved a high-profile double murder, intense media attention, and raised questions about race, celebrity, evidence, and justice. It became a global example of how complex, controversial, and impactful criminal trials can be, especially when law, society, and emotion collide. Criminal law is everywhere. In protecting women against domestic abuse, in investigating financial fraud, in setting procedures for digital evidence and cybercrime, in holding political leaders accountable for corruption. And as society evolves, criminal law evolves too, facing new challenges like AI-generated crimes, deepfakes, and global organized crime networks. Why you should keep watching. Whether you want to become a lawyer, join the police, study human behavior, or simply understand how society defines justice, criminal law is where philosophy meets enforcement. In upcoming videos, we'll break down criminal procedure, trial process, famous judgments, defenses, and much more. This is just the beginning of your journey. Stay curious, stay critical. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law Series.